Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be talking about what is happening with the price of ladies, what could we be expecting as we do go into this upcoming month of August, and what really is next. So, if you guys enjoy these updates, you guys know what to do. Continue liking, commenting, and now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of July the 25th, you guys can see the price of ladies is currently sitting at 27,903. It's up 0.7% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 1% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, it's approaching that $25 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $2.6 million. So what is going on? That might be the question that you guys might have. What is next for ladies? We will of course discuss that. If we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see there has been absolutely no announcement, absolutely zero announcement from ladies, and it's just been the same old boring pictures back to back, and this is hurting them. Yes, you've heard that correct. This is hurting them, and this is losing investors' confidence. And, this is something I've been emphasizing. This is something that I've been pointing out from literally day one. And I'm sure everyone that views, this channel and obviously is part of the ladies community knows that I've been talking about this. And I'm not going to just sit here and come out and say, no, everything is working out perfectly. No, if there's areas that need to be worked on, I'm going to say it. If you don't like it, then that's just up to you. This is my own personal opinion, and I have every right to, give my opinion on that. And that's just been the case. And like I said, it's hurting them. You can see the holder count still above that 15,000 mark, currently sitting at 15,500, but we're seeing a decline slowly, and we haven't seen the holder count increase. Obviously there is a lot of factors that go into it, and I'm going to be talking about these factors that I'm discussing, but we haven't seen for the month of July, and even honestly mainly for the month of July, we haven't seen an uptick in the amount of holders. There's more holders leaving than new holders coming in, but could we finally see some sort of a relief sooner rather than later? So, we're going to be discussing that. But as always, like I said, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, looking at its market cap, $24.8 million, and the volume is quite low. But let's look at the price, see what is exactly happening with the price. So one thing that I can point out right away, when I'm examining the charts, is that we have pretty much been hanging around this $24 to $25 million support, which obviously dates back to June. You can see this for yourself. We have some support built up around there, and pretty much the price of ladies has been hanging back and forth around here. And literally look at it for yourself. Right after losing that insane amount of support, which I've discussed, we've seen only a downside, and it's down about 15% since that level of support has been lost. But could we possibly see more downside? Sorry, I'm not talking about this support line. We're mainly talking about that massive support line at that 4,527 cents mark. That was that support that I was talking about, which I wanted to see ladies hold above. And we did see the price battle to try to get above it 2-3 different times, but every 3 times it got rejected. So that really shows how important that level of support was. If we bring out the measuring tool, it's down about 40% since then. So could this be a time where we finally see a spike happening? One thing I can definitely say is that the weakness is still there. But right now Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce today, because if you guys watch my other updates, if you guys watch my daily Pepe updates, you guys know I'm discussing, keeping you guys updated as to what really is happening. But we did see Bitcoin almost retest this $28,700 level of support, and we're seeing a little bit of a bounce since then. Dominance is still pulling back down, which is a good sign. We're seeing altcoins really have a good time. Some altcoins are going crazy, so altcoin season could be in the books. And if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, we are seeing a lot of altcoins outperforming Bitcoin by a massive margin. So that could mean that we are entering an altcoin season. But as far as ladies is concerned, it is in a downwards channel. There is no sort of announcement, there's no sort of hype factor when it comes to really having that massive community that they have. You guys would be surprised as to how powerful this community is. But eventually, if the team does not work to really hold these holders together to form this community, because at the end of the day, the main goal for these teams are to form a community. And in order to form a community, you need to innovate. You need to innovate. And now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, this is a meme coin. Of course, it's a meme coin. But that's the thing. The barrier of entry literally is really, really low. So basically, a lot of new meme coins coming out every day. And if one brings utility and a hype factor involved and also a meme to it, guess what? Eyes will be on that. And we saw that happen with a lot of these meme coins. And this is why, when it comes to meme coins, you want to be locking the profits when you see them. Is this the end for ladies right now? I don't think it's the end. I still think it has what it takes to make some moves. But with that said, the team needs to step up. If the team does not step up, guys, and we lose the support line, we could see the price even drop down to the June 5th lows. I know no one wants to hear this. But this is in the books right now. That would be another move of about 33%. And remember what I've said, low market cap coins can be manipulated really, really fast. It takes 2-3 big whales that are part of the holders to really sell to make this snowball effect come true. So it's really, really important to keep these factors in mind. Obviously, the good thing for us would be is to reclaim above this 3283 level of resistance. We've tried to go past it on July the 20th, but got rejected. But hopefully, we can get our way back above that. And if it's able to cross past that 3828 mark, I think the next target that I'll be aiming for is that 4537 level of resistance. So these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But one thing that I can definitely point out on the positive is that out of all the meme coins that launch around the same time as Ladies is one of the ones that has still held above a $20 million market cap, which is definitely a positive thing to point out right now. But as far as the project itself goes, we still have a lot of weakness, and if this support were to be lost, we could be in for a more downside. I know no one wants to hear this, but this is the case right now. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts? Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys have some other things that you want to point out? Because at the end of the day, this is a discussion. It's just us speculating. But I want to hear from you guys. Let me know your opinion. What do you guys think? I know a lot of people in the community are still quite bullish on the project, and I still personally believe that this has what it takes to have a turnaround. But in order to have that turnaround, the community obviously needs to step up, especially the team. At the end of the day, it comes down to the team to really get the innovation process going, and obviously having that engagement. That's what I'm trying to look at. You gotta engage your followers, or else they will get bored and they will go elsewhere, and that is true. And if anyone wants to argue with me on that, let me know. You can come and comment down below your opinion and give me your thoughts on that. But thank you so much for each and every one of your guys' support, for sticking around from the beginning. Love each and every one of you guys. Of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen, but I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. See you there. Goodbye.